What's up, y'all? Dano back again. We're gonna make some hot sauce again, put it on some Dano's chicken wings. We're going pineapple crush versus grape crush. We're gonna see which one makes a better hot sauce, or if they even make a good hot sauce at all. We did do the orange crush and it was pretty good. Wasn't the best thing I ever had, but it was still pretty good. So we're gonna make them both exactly the same way. We're gonna use a whole 2 liter. We're gonna add our jalapenos and garlic in with them and let them cook down. We're gonna reduce them to where all the water is cooked out and we get down to the syrup. We add a little butter and then we're gonna put them on our Dano's chicken wings. Right here, we're gonna make some fantastic, I mean dantastic chicken wings. And we're gonna roast these in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And they're gonna be crispy skin, falling off the bone. We're gonna hit it with the sauce. And we're gonna see which one's better. So which one's gonna win? Which one do you think? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like and a comment. Tell me which one you think was better, or you think's gonna be better, or if you've even tried it before. So we'll let you know, and we're gonna see if right now Mountain Dew is my #1, the regular old Mountain Dew. Last time we did Code Red Mountain Dew versus Big Red. Neither one of them were really that good, but they were okay. But today, you see what we got going on. So first thing, we're gonna get to making our chicken wings so we can throw them in the oven, because these take about 1 hour to reduce down. So let's get going. First thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna hit them with a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to do too much, just a little bit. You don't have to do the olive oil. It's kind of optional. You could also rub them down with mustard or a hot sauce. Doesn't really matter. We're really just kind of using it as a binder to really get the seasoning to stick, and you really don't need a binder at all, in my opinion. You can put the seasoning straight on it, but we're just gonna kind of rub those in a little bit. Just get that olive oil, baste it around. Then I'm gonna reach right down here into my flavor holster. We're going Dano's Original today. There is the spicy that's got some cayenne that gives it the heat. It's never too spicy. But we're making a spicy sauce, so we don't want to take away from that. So we're just going with the straight OG Dano's. Let's pop this top on a fresh bottle. That's that yum yum, get you some, baby. Telling you what, Dano's is low sodium. It's all natural, no sugar, no chemicals. You can see right here, this is all the salt that we have in the whole entire bottle. It's only 50 milligrams per serving. We use real sea salt, so you still get that good salt flavor that you love and that you need, because you gotta have salt to have a little flavor, and we use the perfect amount, along with our lemon, orange, garlic, onion, rosemary. That's the main flavors of Dano's. So let's pop this top. Let's get that trigger finger popping just like that, and we're gonna give them a good coating. Don't have to overdo it, but I like a lot of seasoning. So we're gonna get them nice and coated. And then we'll just flip them over and repeat the process. Sure is a nice day here in Kentucky. We're in Louisville, Kentucky. It's Derby week. Everybody's excited. It's the one thing that Louisville's known for. So we're super excited about that. We'll flip these bad boys over. I already had some olive oil down on the tray before, so they already got enough oil on there. Help the seasoning stick. We'll just go in again, pop that trigger finger just like so. Now these are gonna take about 1 hour and 15 minutes at 350 in the oven. So I'm gonna go on and pop these in the oven, and then we're gonna get our sauces going, and we'll see you back in just a second. All right, y'all, so if you remember last time, me and my cameraman, we made these sauces indoors. I've done this before with just one, and yeah, it'll make you sneeze. It's like, kind of like pepper spray going off. But when we did it with 2, I don't know if it was the Mountain Dew or the Big Red, but it was literally like the whole house got pepper spray. We had to move it outside. So we're starting outside, and we're gonna keep it outside today, and we're gonna cook these in my garage because it's a little windy. But this is super easy. We're gonna make both of these the exact same way. We got 4 jalapenos and 2 cloves of garlic. So literally all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut these jalapenos up in chunks. Each one of them's getting 4 jalapenos. And then I'm gonna have this clove of garlic, just like so. We'll just throw that right in there. Just cut it right down the middle. We don't have to worry about all the peel and stuff because we are gonna run it through a strainer when it's done, and we'll get rid of all that, and we'll just get straight down to the sauce. So, like I said, we're gonna do the same for both. See if we can cut all of them at the same time. So there goes our jalapenos. And we'll give it 2 cloves of garlic. Not cloves, but 2 whole, I don't know what you call these. What do you call them? Are they called bulbs? I don't know. So we'll throw that in there. Now, you'll see when I add this soda, I mean, at least it did with all the other ones, especially the Code Red and the Big Red. This will already like start to sizzle like it's cooking. I guess it's because of all the peppers, but we're gonna just throw this right in. 1 whole 2 liter. That's that pineapple crush. I'm gonna go on and say that I think the pineapple's gonna win this one, but it's already hitting me. I'm telling you, it's like a natural reaction. You can see it's already like bubbling. Not like the Mountain Dew did though, but still. All right, I'm gonna add our whole 2 liter Grape Crush. I haven't had Grape Crush in a long time. Let's get a little sample. This is gonna be interesting. This is the most interested I've been on any of these sauces I've done with sodas. Man, it's hitting me. Oh. All right. Man, they're not bubbling like the last ones were as bad, but let's go on. We're gonna reduce these down. Like I said, it'll take about an hour, and then we're gonna make our sauce and we're gonna try this out. And let them do their thing, let them cook. All right, so our chicken wings have been cooking for 1 hour and 5 minutes. I said I'm gonna go 1 hour and 15. I'm giving them one final flip here, but you can see how beautiful they look. Look at that. I already flipped them one time at about 45 minutes. Just look at that. That skin on there, perfectly crisp, and look at that. Try and get it to not stick. We're not gonna be 100% perfect on all of them, but I'm telling you what, these in 10 minutes from now are gonna be absolutely perfect. It's gonna be that yum yum, get you some. All right, so we're gonna give it 10 to 15 more minutes. Back in. It's looking pretty good to me. I don't know, what do you think, Dano? Yeah? Yeah, I'm with you, man. Back in. All right, y'all, so check it out. We're almost done. This is our grape soda. You can tell that all the soda is cooked out, or all the water, because when I lean it up like this, you can see the bubbles sticking. And that means it's just getting down to like the sugars and the leftover. So the grape is literally done. We'll give it another minute, and then here we got the pineapple. You can see it'll still need another minute or so, but we'll just let that keep cooking. And let's go make the sauce with the grape for right now. Let's go. All right, so it's time to make the sauce. The first one up is we're gonna make the grape. So each one of these is gonna get half a stick of butter. We're gonna take the grape, we got it reduced down. We're gonna run it right through the screen, just like so. The pineapple, we're gonna let cook for another 5 minutes or so. It still had some water to cook off, but you can see we got our sauce right there. Get rid of that stuff, we don't need it. And we're just gonna kind of let this sit here and melt. Go on, get a little. That's interesting. It's actually pretty good. That's very interesting. So let's just kind of chop this butter up a little bit. We're not putting any Danos in the sauce because we got the Danos on the wings. And those are getting ready to come out here in just a minute. So we'll just let that continue to sit. And here in just a minute, we'll grab the pineapple and get that rolling. All right, now it's time for the pineapple crush, and something just hit me. I was looking at this and I'm like, look how good those jalapenos look. I bet those are like candied jalapenos. We're totally trying the jalapenos too. All right, so we got our stick of butter, half stick of butter. We're just gonna pour that in. Just like so. I'm not waiting. That was hot.
You might be waiting.
Yeah, I might wait a second. But I guarantee you, those candied jalapenos are gonna be the bomb. So same situation. Just cut this butter up and let it continue to do its thing. Now I'm gonna go grab my chicken and we're gonna give it a try. Butter almost completely melted there in the grape. Look at that. Grape soda hot sauce. It's different, but I like it. It's good. It's not going to be bad. I already know that. Let this continue to melt. Now let's go get the chicken and let's see which is better. Look at those chicken wings right there, cooked to perfection. They're going to be falling apart, crispy skin, just how they should be. First off, I'm going to show you the best way to really do the taste test and the best way to eat a chicken wing. If you cook them like this, you just separate them. Look how easy that pulls apart. That's because we went at 350 per hour and 15 minutes. Look, I'll kind of take this right here, fiddle around with these bones down here, make sure they separate, then watch. Take that little piece of cartilage off right there, do just like that. Didn't work. Normally does. Let's try it again. Take it, pull it apart, get your two little bones here. We'll get them coming out just like so. Man, it's still hot. Look, pull that bone out. Pull this bone out. So now you got all that chicken and the crispy skin on there. And we're just gonna go straight into this. We're gonna get it nice and coated. Look at that. You wanna talk about really getting a true taste test of that sauce? There you go. Sweet. I wouldn't even tell you that it was grape unless I knew. It just kind of tastes like a sweet hot sauce, really, with a weird flavor. It's not bad at all. It's okay. It's not beating the Mountain Dew. It's not beating the Sunkist. Not beating the root beer. It's okay. But it's not the best thing I've ever had. But it's good. But like I said, I wouldn't even know if that was grape unless you showed me. All right. I said that I thought the pineapple would win. So let's see the pineapple here. Pull our bones out, just like that. Twist it, stuck to the skin. But look at that. We got all that meat in there. We're gonna dip it right in to the sauce. Get it nice and coated. Look at that. Let's go in for the bite. Pineapple won, for sure. I can already tell you that. The pineapple won, but really, in all honesty, same situation. I couldn't tell you that that was pineapple flavor unless you showed me. I would just think that it was some sort of like sweet hot sauce. Neither one of them, that really doesn't taste a whole lot of grape, and that really doesn't taste like a whole lot of pineapple. They're both just sweet with just a different flavor, but definitely, as soon as I tasted the pineapple, I knew it won. So there's just more flavor going on there. They're both good, but neither one of them's mind-blowing. I wouldn't do either one of them again. But definitely the Pineapple Crush won. You guys, if you haven't liked yet or subscribed, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know. I got more sodas in the kitchen. We're gonna do more of these, more comparisons. I got ginger ales, I got Coke, I got Dr. Pepper, I got cherry Coke. We got all kinds of these that we're gonna keep making them. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button. We love you. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.